Hello everyone, it's Jade Bolden and I'm coming to you from sunny Florida. It was raining this morning and now it's sunny. How about that? Well, it's good because today is day 24 of the 30-day Cleanse and Restore challenge. So if you're doing this challenge with me, please comment below and tell me how you're doing. Okay, and I hope that you are planning your celebration, planning to succeed. Okay, what are you doing? Tell me in the comments what you are doing to celebrate. Okay, so I hope you're counting your blessings, writing down all the things that you're grateful for, okay, and planning on changing. Okay, so but right now today, please comment below. Okay, tell me what you're doing to celebrate. Okay, celebrate the success of your accomplishment of your 30-day Cleanse and Restore challenge. All right, so let me know how you're going to celebrate. For me and my family, we're going on vacation next week, so that's our way of celebrating. Now, I want to talk about getting into the habit of celebrating life so that you are more balanced, basically. We want to shift the focus from all the worries, because we're so used to worrying, right? To focus on creating more joy. And when we do that, whatever we focus on, we will create. We are creators, and so we have this ability to create whatever it is that we focus on. But some of us don't realize we have that power, so we haphazardly create, just drama and all the negative things in life that we're worried about. So whatever you're worried about and whatever you're focusing your energy on, that's what you're going to create more of. So instead, we're going to shift our energy over to focusing more on celebrating life, okay, on having more joy. Now, so when I talk about that, some people might say, oh, but I don't want to be selfish. I mean, if you focus on joy and play and stuff, that's kind of selfish. We just need a balance, right? It's not being irresponsible, okay? It's actually a sign of healthy self-love, okay? It's a sign of you accepting happiness. Now, if you're a mama or a parent like me, right, you want your family and your children to be happy, right? But they need an example of happy. Can you be that example of happy? Besides, if you're happy, they don't feel like they're responsible for making you happy, okay, and feeling guilty when they fall short, okay? So let's focus on joy, balance up a little bit, okay, and let's live up to our privilege and potential. So I have a few oils I want to share with you, okay, what they can do for you. But first of all, plan on what you're going to do to celebrate the end of your 30-day Cleanse and Restore challenge, okay? Then next, I want you to think about how you can just live life joyfully all the time. Okay, so for me, living life joyfully, there's three elements. Okay, the first element is, of course, element of serving humanity, and I only know what I want to do by having that connection to God. God helps me understand what I need to do to serve humanity. But there is an element of serving. Okay, there is. When people search for joy and fun and fulfillment, high and low, and they don't realize that there's this element of service and losing yourself in the service of other people. So try that and you'll see that you'll find more joy, okay? Because somehow the connection with another human being, right, and when they are joyful, it lifts you up as well. Okay, so that's the first element. The second element is just praising and rewarding yourself for a good job, okay, a job well done. A lot of us hold praise back and we are so critical of ourselves instead of cheering ourselves on. So, think of the joy of the reward of accomplishment. And it can be accomplishing just any little thing, but if you allow yourself to have that healthy self-talk and praising yourself as you go along, because we'll always be in the middle of our journey in somewhere, okay? We're always progressing. There's never going to be an end. So instead, can we praise ourselves and encourage ourselves as we go? Okay, when we do that, then we invite others to do that for us too, okay, instead of being critical. So think of and focus on the reward of accomplishment. So the third thing is passion, right? Live life fully and passionately. So I have here lime oil. if you have ever smelt this, it's just so powerful and so beautiful and exciting. So add that to your water. Okay, I already added some. And then also green mandarin. Okay, think of the potential. You have so much potential, and the passion is all about that, right? It's about what I can do, what I can create, how exciting things will be. Okay, put it in your water bottle. Sip it throughout the day. It's going to cleanse your body. It continues to cleanse your body of, the environmental threats. Break up the mucus, helps you digest your food better, but also digest life better. And see all the beautiful things about life, and see the potential of life. So those three things, the elements that I put into creating life joyfully, okay, it's every day, okay. So yes, you have celebrations where you do something different out of the ordinary, but every day should be, something to do with serving humanity, something to do with, rewarding yourself for accomplishment, encouraging yourself, okay, and having passion for life in general. So I'll give you an example. I like to make videos. I get nervous making videos, but I make it anyways. I like to make courses and write stuff for people because I think of serving humanity, right? And the reward that I give myself is, some me time and some an opportunity to rest and pamper myself and have a bubble bath or hang out with the kids. I just find something to reward myself every day and encourage myself. And of course, I just live as passionately as I can. All right, so that's the example. Now, if you have this higher, if you raise your level of joy, you're going to live in a higher emotional home, if you know what I mean. So sometimes people kind of go back to their emotional home that they're used to. So like Tony Robbins, he talks about going to an emotional home where it's different, okay, it's higher. So when you have a higher emotional home, guess what? You're going to find solutions to everything. So you're not going to be stressed and worried about, oh, this is too much, too big for me. You're going to say, I can fix that. That is solvable, okay? You will have the power and the strength to overcome anything that comes along. You just do. You just have that something inside of you that burns and is strong. And then you're able to adapt to new situations, okay? And then you're allowed to attract joy, attract success, and attract good health, okay? So your body's able to create all these happy chemicals that can help your body heal, okay? So if you just focus on joy, all of these good things will happen as well. Okay, just try that and see what I mean. Okay, instead of going, oh, I got to fix this health problem, I got to do this, making it so tedious. All right, so focus on those things. And my friend, if you are struggling to figure out where to start and you've got blocks and you think you can't, push through those things and you need some help, that's okay, because I started that way. I started with people surrounding me and helping me figure out what I'm thinking and feeling on the inside before I can learn how to step into my power of creation. Okay, so if you need some help, go ahead and book a time with me. We'll do a 1-hour energy balancing session, all right, and I'll muscle test and help you figure out what it is that you need to do to balance your energy so that you can fully be a joyful creator, all right, and add more passion, add more peace into this world. Alrighty, so thank you for giving me this opportunity to share with you this message today. If you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel, all right, and like and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. All right, that's all. Thank you, take care, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.